Okay, so this is a flexible pan connector for a toilet. This particular version is the short version. There's this version, a short version, and there's a longer version. This is more suited to situations where a longer version wouldn't work for you. Yeah. So this is giving you a total length of between 230 here, 230 millimeters. That's from here to here, actually, from here to here. Yeah, 230 millimeters to a maximum of 530 millimeters. The other version available would go from 280 millimeters to 550 millimeters. So it would be slightly longer than the other one, and this is going slightly shorter than the other one. So what you do is you literally, this here pushes onto your ceramic part of your toilet. You put some lubrication here and push this on, and then depending on where your waste outlet is, for example, let's just say here's your waste outlet. Yeah, this would push in there like that. Yeah. But if it was at an angle like that, yeah, this would go in there like that, same. Now, this end can accommodate between 102 and 122 millimeters, yeah? So that's this diameter here, 102 to 122 millimeters. And this end can accommodate between 70 and 110 millimeters. And again, the total length is, it could go to straight, worth bearing in mind, straight would be 530 millimeters. Obviously, if you bend it, obviously, in a way, you're losing some of the length, aren't you, if you think about it? And the minimum would be 230 millimeters. Okay, I think that's all the information you need. Thanks very much.